Every business you see today started with a simple thought. This shouldn't be this difficult. But here's the truth. Problems are everywhere. Opportunities are everywhere. Yet most people never see them. People often say, "I don't have a business idea." But that's not true. You don't lack ideas, you lack the mind to see them. Because business is not about invention, it's about observation. And once you understand this, you will never run out of ideas in your life. The biggest mistake people make is this. They think business ideas come from thinking deeply in isolation. But real ideas come from daily life, real frustrations, real people, real needs. Nobody sat in a room and said, "Let's invent ride-hailing." They noticed a problem. People struggle to find reliable transport. And they solved it. That's it. Think, solve, earn. This is not just a slogan. This is a law. If you think clearly and solve something valuable, earning is automatic. Now let's make this practical. Here's your first exercise. Not ideas, problems. Because problems create ideas. Examples. Why is this shop always crowded? Why is this process so slow? Why is this service so expensive? Why do people complain about this? At first, you may struggle. Your brain is not trained. But after a week, you will start noticing things you never saw before. After a month, you will start thinking like a business owner. Let me tell you something important. Your first ideas will feel stupid. And that's okay. Because your job is not to judge ideas. Your job is to generate them. A simple service in a small area can become a stable business. Never underestimate convenience, speed, simplicity. People don't pay for complexity. They pay for ease. 1. Problems around you. Look at what annoys people. Long waiting times, poor service, unorganized systems. Every frustration is a hidden business. 2. Improvements in existing systems. You don't need to create something new. Just improve what already exists. Faster delivery, better quality, lower cost, better experience. Small improvements, big impact. 3. Unmet needs. What do people need but don't have? This could be convenience, trust, reliability, accessibility. Find the gap. Fill it. 4. Local opportunities. Look at your area. What is missing? Sometimes a simple service in a small town is more powerful than a complex idea in a big city. 5. People's frustrations. Listen carefully. When people complain, they are telling you exactly what to build. Here's a system you can follow. Observe your day. Write 5 to 10 problems. Pick one problem. Think of 3 solutions. Improve one solution. Repeat daily. In 30 days, you will have 150 plus ideas. That's more than most people think in a year. Now connect this with yourself. Ask, what can I do better than others? What do people ask me for help with? What comes naturally to me? Your skills are not random. They are clues. In a world full of stress, even entertainment is a business. Even making people feel better is a business. If you can, reduce stress, save time, make life easier, bring happiness, you have a business. Once your mind becomes active, you stop asking, what business should I start? Instead, you start seeing, there's a problem, there's an opportunity, I can solve this. So don't wait for a perfect idea. It will never come. Start small. Start simple. Start noticing. Because ideas are not found. They are seen. Think. solve, earn,